Hello everybody, this is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and in this video we will be discussing how to resolve the finals error code TFLA0028. Now before we dive into the process, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can support to our channel if you feel like our content is providing you guys value. Now, how to actually fix this issue? Now this is quite common in the game and a lot of players are frustrated due to this. We have a couple of fixes for that. So if you're using a VPN, turn it off and reset it, as this is one of the major reasons that it is causing an error. So a lot of people are using VPNs due to some regional issues. Maybe some are going to trying to protect their online presence. So VPN could be used for majority of the reasons. And if you are using one, make sure to turn it off, as it could be possibly causing the issue. After that, check your router and make sure your internet connection is stable. So yeah, you should be checking that as well, that your ISP or the internet service provider is working perfectly fine. A lot of time your internet is just bugging around, and that could cause some packet losses, some ping rises, fluctuations and errors, of course. So that could be a reason as well. Make sure to check your ISP is working perfectly fine. After that, your check internet speed. So of course, check your internet speed. That is going to be giving you a better idea on how well your internet is performing. After that, verify game files by going to Steam, the finals, properties, install files. So make sure you remember this directory or note it down somewhere. Steam, the finals, properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game file. So basically make sure that it is not corrupted, some files are not deleted. Some viruses could cause some issues possibly. And last but not least, we have reinstalled the game if needed. So if nothing is seeming to be working around, you should, or you could reinstall the game, and that might fix the issue. So yeah, with that being said, that is pretty much it for this video, and I hope this helped. If it did, make sure to subscribe and make sure to head over the link in the description of this video as well, to keep supporting and loving, and check out our other videos on simple tutorials for more. Thanks for watching.